Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time in reviewing this excellent quality, heavy-duty, pre-owned American pacemaker engine lathe. It's a size of a 19.5 by 56. Machine serial number is 76736-62. This happens to be our stock number 3433. That's 3433. This American pacemaker is in absolutely wonderful condition. It came to us from long-time storage, very limited use, very low hours, and we're going to show you this machine running under power and run through some of the specifications, features, and all of the wonderful tooling and the digital readout that it comes with. Go ahead, Frankie, let's fire it up. We're currently running at 23 RPM. You'll note this American pacemaker has the heavy-duty square headstock, the super wide ways, the wide saddle, super heavy pattern machine. The main drive motor on this machine is 15 horsepower. RPM, sir? 183. What is it? 183. 183 RPM. 60 RPM. Let me get down where the action is. .55 RPMs. Again, this is a 19.5 swing over the bed, 56 inch between centers, 11.5 inches over the cross slide. The spindle nose is a D16, 1090 RPM. Comes complete with the Mitutoyo 2-axis digital readout. It has a 3-jaw chuck, 10-inch, 4-jaw chuck, 12-inch, steady rest. You wearing the oil?
Yeah.
Follower rest.
1500. We'll run it for a minute.
Like to point out the taper attachment on the back. Getting up close to these ways. Coolant package. Here's the follower rest and the 3-jaw chuck. Here's the 15 horse main drive motor. Here's the electrical control panel. Looking at it from the non-business end of things, you can see the width of the ways here.
Oh, we can show you some feet.
Let's do. The machine has a 2-inch spindle bore. It's set up to clear 2-inch diameter. The spindle speeds range from 23 to 1500 with 27 changes. I need to adjust this tripod. It's hitting me in the shins every time I move. Okay. We're currently feeding in the cross axis and the longitudinal axis at the same time. Frankie wants me to point out the Mitutoyo digital readout. It's an old school Mitutoyo DRO. Works great, heavy duty, with all the parts available directly through Mitutoyo. Pardon me, go ahead. Engagement of the half nut. Let me park my tripod right here. That's a sight for sore eyes. Look at those waves up near the headstock. Absolutely magnificent. We're 6 minutes in. So standard feed, standard threads, inch machine, has a Mitutoyo 2-axis DRO. We're also including a quick change tool post. Has the steady rest, the chucks, everything ready to go. Everything that you'd expect from machinery consultants here in Salt Lake City, Utah. Our warehouse is full. Our cup is overflowed. We'd be delighted to offer this machine and make it so it's not so homeless. Thanks again for reviewing this video on behalf of Machinery Consultants. We're available on the website at www.machineryconsultants.com. Our phone number is 801-531-9500. That's www.machineryconsultants.com. Give us a call. We'd love to work with you. By the way, the overall weight on the machine is 7,500 pounds. Thanks again. Have a great day.